Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you probably sell locally. You can offer pickup instead of shipping. Well, you can enable the local pickup on Etsy for nearby buyers. It's basically good. It will help you go into your business. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to offer local pickup on Etsy in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, you can access all of these things by going through the shop manager. You're gonna ask me how. It's pretty simple. All we're gonna do is go to Etsy.com, tap on this basically link, then it will take you automatically to this new window or this new tab. All you're gonna do now is go and log in using your email address and password to access all of your information, all of your dashboard. Now it's time to go through the shop manager here. So tap on shop manager, then it will take you to a new basically setting place where you can go through settings and shipping settings, then select local pickup. You can then add pickup location details, then set pickup instructions, then tap on save, don't forget it. Then apply this option to any eligible listings. As for like bonus tips, clearly message buyers after purchase to schedule the pickup. Then confirm pickup times in advance. It's great for bulky or basically any fragile items. For example, if you are selling anything including glass or maybe a music instrument, something that would break if you basically send it through a company. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.